Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel KidsCodePro. Last time we started creating a platform game using the Scratch visual programming language. We created a character and defined costumes to move around the screen. Today we will develop a simulation of gravity. What is falling down for our character? That's right, it's a decreasing of y-axis number. To change the position you can use several script options. We will use the change y by 10 block. 10 is too much, and even more so, it is a plus 10. Let's set the change to -3. How long should the simulation of gravity affect our character? In the same way that you and I are affected by real gravity constantly. To do this, we will use the cycle forever. What event should start this cycle? If we want the force of gravity to act from the moment the game starts, then we need to determine the start of the cycle by the event when the green flag is clicked. So, the flag is clicked and the character falls and stops outside the screen frame below. Why did he stop? Because in the Scratch programming language there is predefined condition for the boundaries of the screen, the limit position on the X and Y axis. But you and me also need the character to fall with a certain condition until the character touches floor of the level map that we will set. It's time for level design. In this case, we will determine the floor and obstacles using the color sensor. Pause the video and draw a simple level with several platforms as a background to begin with. Finished? Excellent! I have prepared platforms that look like a brick floor. Please note that the border of each platform is circled in a specific color. This must be done in order to be able to implement the condition of the sensor touching the character of a certain color. So, for now, our character is still falling through the screen and through the platforms we drew. Let's change the gravity simulation script a bit. Inside the script, put the block condition if, then. Put the operator block not inside the condition. Put the does it touch color sensor block into the operator. Click on the color field and use the pipette to carefully set the border color of the platforms we drew. And now, after clicking the green flag, the program will start a cycle in which it will first check if the character touched the border of the platform. If it does not, then it will move the character 3 steps down. Check again if the character touched the border of the platform. No? Again, it will move down and so until the character touches this color. But what's next? Is the next time the character is in the air, he will not fall down to the next platform. He will fall, because the repeat always cycle does not end on its own. When the character touches a certain color, the program endlessly checks whether it touches, and as soon as it does not touch, boom, the character is again in a state of falling. On this step, for today, we will finish. Thus, we already have a character who knows how to walk, obeys the created and established by us simulation of gravity in the world we created. In your free time, try to diversify the background so that it becomes even more attractive visually. But do not forget that we set a certain color as a condition. Try to use this color only for the floor border. Thank you for your attention. Sign up, click like if you like this video. Sign up for lesson through the website or Facebook. Links are in the video description. See you!